Hi, I'm Ryan DeAngelis here at the Guarantee RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you one of our bunkhouses that we carry that's it's not small, but it's not gigantic. It's a little bit on the bigger side. It's a 287 BHSW. So it's a Jayco Jay Flight 2019 model 287 BHSW. So it's about 28 feet, not counting the hitch and the bumper and the spare tire. And it's got bunks, in the back, and then it has a what's different from this and the 26 footers, it's a little, besides being a little bit longer, is it's got two doors. So you got two doors, one of them goes right into the bathroom on the outside. You got a full pass-through up front. So this has a Rocky Mountain Edition package on it. So this is a non-Baja, so it's got still made in the US Goodyear tires, and there's pretty good clearance on this thing, but it doesn't have the extreme off-road package on it with the bigger tires. But it does still have the bigger freshwater tanks. So you got 40-gallon freshwater tank standard. Rocky Mountain gives it a second 40-gallon freshwater. You got 80 gallons of fresh water, and you didn't have to go to the Baja Edition like you always did in the past with Jayco. So you have big power awning on the outside with an LED light strip in it. This is still half-ton towable by almost all half-tons that can pull, you know, 7,500 pounds or so. So you got a full walk-around bed. Closets back here, all LED lights. Your AC is also ducted back into the bedroom. They give you like a little foot locker bench thing here you can store stuff into and kind of sit on when you're taking your shoes off. You got a 32-inch TV that pulls out and swivels with AM, FM, CD, DVD with Bluetooth. You have a couch here. This is a tri-fold sofa that folds out into a full bed, so it's not just a little jackknife. You get a little bit more of a real bed feel to this than you will just a little flip-out jackknife that a kid can sleep on. Now this is a little different than the 26-foot as well. It has the bigger U-shaped dinette, so you can sit a lot of people around this when you're eating. Here's your kitchen setup. This is a 2019 model, so they got the new countertops that are seamless, so one solid piece. You get a sink cover and a drying rack, so it kind of flattens this whole thing out here, so you got a little bit more counter space to work with if you're not actually washing dishes at the time. Now you got 3 burners here. You have an oven and a microwave, and then you have an 8 cubic foot fridge. Most of the stuff out here in this industry, kind of the standard is 6 cubic foot. This is 2 cubic foot bigger than almost every trailer out there, which is a good thing. So then you have a ton of storage back here. You can use this side for a lot of pantry, but then on this side here for extra closet and drawers for the kids in the back with the bunks. A ton, huge closet back here. Then you got your 2 big bunks back here, and they actually give you a ladder to get up to the top. Both bunks have a window, both bunks have plugs. There's storage underneath that bottom bunk, and you can also access that from the outside. Then back here you have your bathroom. Rocky Mountain Edition package also gives you a real toilet, so that's a porcelain toilet instead of a cheap plastic one. Huge shower, so you can actually get up and stand, turn around, do all that stuff in there instead of your kind of cramped bunk, or most bunkhouses have a little cramped tub type style. Second bathroom door, so you can actually get in from the outside, so somebody doesn't have to cut through your living room and a kitchen just to use the bathroom. There's a bunch of more stuff on here I'd like to show you. Give me a call when you get a chance. My number is 541-525-4001, and I'm Ryan DeAngelis from the Guarantee RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Talk to you soon.